So epistasis is when a phenotype can be expressed by multiple different genotypes. So in this case, we are going to look at single recessive epistasis in relation to Doctor Who. If you ever heard of it, we're going to look at Time Lords. So we'll have a pure breeding Time Lord crossing with a pure breeding human. As you'll see, in order to be considered a Time Lord, you have to have that alien gene, which has to be at least a big A. And then in order to be a Time Lord who can also regenerate, you have to have the time gene, which is going to be expressed by a big T. So we do have a little diagram right here to see how it flows. You'll see that to be a Time Lord human, you do have to have at least a big A. And then to be a Time Lord completely with regenerative properties, you have to have a big A and a big T. So we're going to cross the F1 generation with itself. And that's what this dihybrid cross is right here. And you will see that the ratio is 9 to 3 to 4. You'll see that there are 9 Time Lords, there are 3 Time Lord humans, and there are 4 humans. So just a little example, you can see that with this one right here, it's big A, small t, small t. The big A is going to make it be able to pass the Time Lord human, but because it does not have a big T, it will not have regenerative properties. So another one, small a, small t, small t. So with that, there is no big A whatsoever, so they can't even make it past that first barrier and they will be a human. So let's see what happens if we take a Time Lord human with big A, small t, and cross it with a human that is small a, big T, small t. So we do have the little diagram again, and we're going to make that cross with our dihybrid cross. And you'll see in this case, the ratio is going to be 4 to 4 to 8, or in this case, 2 human to 1 Time Lord human to 1 Time Lord. So we'll take this one right here and just look at our little diagram. So we do have a big A, which means they will at least get to this middle step. But we also have a big T, which means they are a Time Lord. And then right here, we'll look at this guy. This one has a big A, so they will make it to Time Lord human, but you'll see they do not have any big T's, so they will not be a Time Lord with regenerative properties. And then right here, we'll look at this one, little a, big T, little t. With that one, they don't even have a big A, so they can't make it to Time Lord human, though they do have the big T, but because they didn't make it to that first jump, they are still human. They will just carry on that Time Lord regenerative gene.